Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about lesson number 3, fiber to fabric. In standard 6, you have studied about the various plant fibers. So first of all, what is meant by fiber? Fiber means a thinner strands of thread which are used to make fabric. Fabric is a piece of cloth. The fibers, there are two types, plant fibers and animal fibers. Cotton and jute are plant fibers. The cotton is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant. The jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Now we'll see about the animal fibers. Animal fibers are wool and silk. How wool is obtained? It is obtained from the hair of the sheep or camel or goat or rabbit. There are different varieties of animals which give us wool. So the different breeds of the animals are Angora goat, Kashmiri goat, llama and alpaca are camels, and Angora rabbit, sheep and yak. They give us wool. If you have seen these pictures, all these pictures, the animals have the heavy, thick coat of fur on their body. Why these animals have thick coat of hair on their body? The hair on the body trap air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, so they keep them warm and protect them from severe cold. So now let's move on to the topic, how the wool is obtained by having different steps, otherwise various stages of obtaining wool. For obtaining wool, good breeds are selected and reared. So let's see some Indian breeds of sheep. Lohi, Rampur Busher, Nali, Bakawal, Marwari and Patanwadi. These are the varieties of sheep which are reared in India to get the wool. So the first of all, for obtaining wool, the rearers, first they will select the parents. The process of selecting parents for obtaining offsprings possessing fine, soft under hair is termed as selective breeding. So first they will select the good breeds which have the fine, soft under hair. So after selection, they rear. For rearing, as they are the herbivorous animals, they take them for grazing. Along with the grazing, the sheep, rearers also feed them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jowar and oil cakes. So you must be thinking that why this pulse, otherwise the protein-rich food is given to the sheep, because the hair is made up of protein. As far as you are giving more protein to the sheep, the growth of the hair will be good, so they will get the lot of hair from the sheep. So the next one is how the wool is processed. So the first step is shearing. In this process, once the reared sheep have developed a thick growth of hair, the fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin is removed from its body with the help of hair cutting machines. So when it is removed, you heard that the thin layer of skin also removed, but it won't feel hurt because the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. So when they are removed, they don't get hurt, and then once it is removed, again the hair will be formed. Usually it is removed during summer because it enables the sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. So shearing means the removal of the hair. That is the first step. Now the second one is scoring. Scoring means the sheared skin with the hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This process is called scoring. So the second stage is squaring. So in this stage the hair is washed thoroughly. The third one is sorting. So after washing, they remove the hair according to the color and the texture. So the hairy skin is sent to a factory where hairs are different textures are separated. Now the fourth one is drying. Before drying, you must have seen in the woolen sweaters the small burrs are there. The burrs means small fluffy fibers are called burrs. So in this stage, the burrs are removed and picked out from the hair and washed again and dried. Now the next step is dyeing. Dyeing means you know that normally the color of the sheep hair is brown or black or white. But in the market you can see different various colors of the sweaters. So as they have these three colors, the hair is sent for dyeing various colors. The next step is rolling and spinning. The fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longest fibers are spun into wool for sweaters and the shorter wool fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. So these are the 6 stages how this processing of wool is taken place. The first one is shearing, second one scoring, third one sorting, fourth one drying, fifth one dyeing and sixth one rolling and spinning. So now you see the people who are working in the wool industry as sorters, sometimes they get infected by a bacterium called anthrax. It causes a fatal blood disease. This disease is called sorter's disease. Such risks are faced by the workers. So this disease is an occupational hazard for the workers. Now let's watch a video on processing of wool.
Welcome to All Farm.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Your assignment questions are as follows. Thank you, children.